One of the most underrated and underutilized platforms or social media platforms that I think you should take advantage of is the LinkedIn platform. Now, I don't know why a lot of people don't usually use that platform, but I think there's an opportunity for you to explore it and also use it as well. In this video, I want to explain to you how your personal brand over there can really benefit you by being on the platform. Let's jump right into it. So before I even get started, one may ask, what is personal branding? Personal branding is basically your reputation, how people see you, how people presume you, basically all that compromise into coming up with your personal brand. Now, it's an intentional effort that you have to put in daily in order for people to understand you in a certain way and see what you stand for. In another video, I'll be explaining and doing a full video on personal brand. But in this video, I want to explain to you the benefit of it that you'll be utilizing when you're on the LinkedIn platform. One key benefit of being on the LinkedIn platform and having a good personal brand in place is that it gives you access to people. On the platform, it's usually for professionals and all that, industry leaders, industry key players and all that. So having a professional, profile over there that explains what you stand for and what you do can easily get you access to people. You can easily reach out to people to speak to them about, issues concerning your business or even how to go about your business, and also finding new customers as well. So if you are not there, there's a right opportunity for you to start building a profile over there. Another advantage is that it gives you credibility and trust. It builds that whole trust around you that once they search for you on the platform, your professional profile comes out that states out what you do, where you're experienced in, and what you've been doing so far. It gives a whole profile about you which builds trust around you and credibility. So if you've not really sat down to create a professional profile, I think this is the right time for you to sit down to analyze how it's looking now and how you can improve it as well. And the third and final advantage of being on the platform too is that it helps you either find a job or help you find new customers. So if you're a business owner and you want to find new customers, one of the professional platforms that you can be on to find new customers is the LinkedIn platform. Also, if you're looking for a job, one of the platforms that I always advise people to jump on to check for jobs is the LinkedIn platform. They have a separate section for finding jobs where you see a lot of jobs being posted day in, day out. You can check by the very minute it's posted. You can check by companies as well. And you can also get insights as to who is the HR, speaking to them and getting more insights as to how you should go about your CV and how to present it and all that. So there you have it, 3 advantages of having a professional profile on the LinkedIn platform. And if you are not following me yet, go create a profile and send me a friend request at Edwin Dela. That's my profile on LinkedIn, and I'll accept it and have a conversation with you there as well in terms of business branding and how to start up your own idea as well. And also a free basic advice over here. Once you create your profile, I think you can just go to my profile and then see how it's structured, see the key points over there, see how the pictures are placed over there, and get a fair idea of how to set up your own properly and how to make it stand out as well. This platform has helped me a lot and I've gotten a lot of advantages from it, a lot of benefits from it. So I advise you that you should take advantage of it now. Start creating your profile on LinkedIn today. See you in the next video. Cheers.